Hey guys, Casey Sanguins at Guarantee RV. Today I want to show you this brand new 2019 Lance 1995. If you know anything about Lances, you know about the quality of them. I want to show you a few things. Starting off, you've got the tongue jack. This is the new Smart Jack by Lippert Controls. This does a lot of things. It remembers your hitch height, so when you are hooking back up to your truck, you can push a button and it's going to remember what level it was before you leveled the trailer out. We ordered this one with the Tri-5 propane system in it, so you've got 3 5-gallon propane tanks. Over on this side, some nice things Lance does. Lance puts your batteries up here. There's 2 battery compartments, one on this side, one on the other side, but they're behind a lockable door. This tray, you strap your battery down in there and then you can lock your battery in there, so you don't have to worry about them sitting out in the open out on the tongue. You've got a nice storage compartment over here. That's your pass-through. I'll show you the other side over here. Pass-through storage goes all the way through. Here's your other battery compartment, by the way. But this one's got the nice pull-out storage bin. All the stuff that you can stack in there and not have to climb in to get it out. You just pull the storage bin out. That locks in there so it's not sliding around as you're driving down the road. It is wired, pre-wired for a portable solar panel here. Coming down the back, you've got the nice power awning. This one is called a box awning. It doesn't have the arms that come down, so there's nothing that you can walk all the way underneath, nothing to bop you on the head. You've got a TV mount out here, power. So if you want to watch TV outside, you definitely can. Back on the back, this one has a nice, very heavy-duty ladder, so you can get up and inspect your roof, make sure everything looks good there. Let's go on inside and we'll take a look inside. The nice keyless entry for one, very nice. You don't have to carry your keys around. If you're out in the woods camping or swimming, you don't have to carry your keys around because you don't need them with that keyless entry. Once you get inside this trailer, it's hard to see on the video, but when you're inside a Lance, you can really tell the quality of a Lance. You look at the cabinets, all of these cabinets, there's no seams here. This is one solid piece of plywood that they router out all of these holes. Then they put nice hardware on it, nice hinges so the door stays up. Soft closed doors, all solid wood. This particular trailer, you got the nice 3-burner glass top oven, or stove rather, with the oven below. Nice solid surface light countertops with a nice sturdy sink cover. This is a nice stone cast sink. They look very nice, easy to keep clean, and they're not loud like some of the stainless steel ones are. You've got the nice high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer, so you can get all your pots and pans clean. With the stove, you've of course got a microwave and the nice double door fridge and freezer to fit all of your cold goods. Up front, the 1995 does have the walk-around queen bed. There is some storage underneath the bed, and it is on strong arm struts to hold this thing up, so when you're getting stuff out of there, you don't have to balance it on your head. You've of course got nice hanging wardrobes on either side of the bed, plus a nice little nightstand area here with a little drawer. You do have power on both sides of the bed, and in this nightstand, room for a CPAP machine. If you sleep with a CPAP, there's plenty of spaces to keep that there with the power. Nice front window. There is a shade on that to keep the sunlight out if you want to sleep in the morning. This one does have a fantastic fan right here over the bed, which is very nice. Those will draw a lot of air either in or out depending on which way it's going. The dinette. This is a nice big dinette. Plenty of room to pack all your people around here. They give you 2 nice drawers, nice pull-out drawers to stack all your stuff in. This dinette does also fold down into a bed, and again, this dinette is big enough when this is down into bed. It's a plenty large bed. Back here in the bathroom, nice sized bathroom, toilet, nice corner shower with the sink and the medicine cabinet, and tons more storage back here. You got some nice drawers, nice closet. Again, with this being a Lance, there's no joints here. This is all one solid piece of plywood. Again, this is the Lance 1995. My name is Casey Sanguins. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we have in inventory, give me a call. Phone number is 541-953-9171.